Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why does China make everything explained. Pause and take notes on key terms I mention, like economies of scale and export hubs. We'll walk through how raw materials, labor specialization, infrastructure, and policy interact to lower costs. I'll use clear examples, compare trade patterns, and highlight how manufacturing clusters form. Stay engaged and ask questions in comments for deeper dives later right now. Let's break down cost and capacity factors in plain terms so you can follow supply chain logic easily. Labor, automation, procurement scale, and infrastructure all interact to drop per unit costs and boost output. Firms cluster near suppliers to shave days off production and transport, which further reduces expense and risk. I'll compare simple examples and explain how these forces make large, diversified manufacturing hubs so efficient and resilient. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more explainers and to help others find this content. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a small comfort while thinking about global supply chains. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and use the pause button if you want to jot anything down. Now let's get back to the video. Policy choices and trade frameworks create the conditions firms need to scale and export rapidly. Governments can promote industries through incentives, special zones, and streamlined customs that lower friction. When shipping lanes, ports, and trade partners align, manufacturers gain reliable demand and predictable margins. I'll explain how incentives, regulation, and logistics combine to favor concentrated production, and how that shapes what we see on store shelves worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.